Here is the ZIPmow. Let me give you a quick demonstration. Let me first turn this on. There's a button right here. Press that button, remote control. Press and hold this down for a few seconds. Now it's on. The blade is not engaged right now. Let's go ahead and turn the blade on. The blade's on. It's in the lowest level. There's 3 levels. Okay, 1, 2, and that's the fastest. Okay, and you get like a nice 0 turn there. You can go backwards, frontwards. This is at the max throttle, so this is the fastest it goes, like this. 2.5 miles per hour, they say. And here's a lot of grass right here. Let's see what this does here. Little wheelie there. Not bad. So now the main reason why we got this is because of inclines. You can see the pond is a nice dip here. So we can kind of go down. That's a root right there. So we can go down. Whoa! Now it's over, it will turn off automatically. So if it flips over, it's a safety feature, okay? Let's get it back going again. Let's put that blade on. Anyway, it's a safety feature if it turns it off. Now when I'm going up and down, I shouldn't have it at the max speed because it's going to kind of pop a wheelie. Okay, anyway, let me put the blade back on here. Let's go full blast. Max throttle, 2.5 miles an hour. And let's go through here a little bit. Like a little vacuum cleaner. Anyway, here you guys go.